In today's video, I'll show you on how you can go to specific date and time on MetaTrader. So if you're using MetaTrader, it will simply look something like this. And when you want to when you want to review or look back to specific dates and time, it will simply take you a long time. So the fastest way in order for you to do this is to head over to the time frame category or the time frame line, and inside this page you can see that your mouse will change into a clickable icon. So you can just click on it, hold click it, and then you want to drag it to the left side to simply zoom out of the time frame. So in my case, I want to view something like from last year to compare it to this year. So I'll keep scrolling down and you will see that the date will simply go further and further until I hit the December mark, which is going to be last year. And basically from there, if you want to navigate through specific time, you can simply do the same thing, but this time we are zooming into the furthest right here. And then you can see individual times like 4, in between we have 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you want to view something like 8:30, this is going to be this specific candle right here for December 5. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.